Wondering what to do with your student loans now that your payments are suspended? In this video, we'll cover the student loan payment suspension and what you should be thinking about now to get the most bang for your buck when knocking out your student loans. Hello, Central Oregon. Eric Pashia here with HomeSource. Let's get to it. First and foremost, what happened to student loans this year? After years of will they be forgiven, won't they be forgiven, we finally have a clear and actionable situation now. Earlier this year, the CARES Act suspended all principal and interest payments on federally backed student loans until September 30th of this year. Then, an executive order signed by President Trump extended that payment suspension until December 31st, and now the Department of Education has extended
Now, what do I mean
all
by
of the
infrequent expenses?
Outlined in the CARES
These are
Act
those
until
expenses
the end of
that you
this
expect to
year. In a
happen
nutshell, no more
sometime in the
payments on
future,
student loans
but they
until
don't happen every month.
2021 on
Think
federally
things like
held
car
student
repair,
loans.
home
And better
maintenance,
yet,
annual
you didn't even
insurance
have to
payments,
do anything
car
for this to
registration.
take effect. It
I
just
know
kind
that these
of
expenses will
happened.
happen, but I
So
don't
let's
like the
break this
idea
down.
of plopping
now
down
that those payments
$150
have been
in the month that
suspended,
they happen.
you won't be charged
So,
any
what do I
interest
do?
on those
Well, I
outstanding
need to
loans
plan for
either.
that
You
in
won't need to
advance.
contact your
When
servicer
I
to
account
suspend
for those
anything
infrequent
because, like I said
expenses,
earlier, it
you
will just
are admitting to
happen.
yourself
but
that
with
you need to
anything
plan
like
for
this,
this
don't take
month
their word
for
for
an
it.
expense that
Follow
you'll
up
have
on
in the
this
future.
yourself. When
That
you
could
check
mean
your
an
statements,
oil
you should
change
see
next
that no
month,
interest
your
is accruing
insurance
and no
payment
payments are
in
being
September,
due.
or
If you
those
see
holiday
anything
gifts
else,
that you plan to
contact
spend
your
and
servicer.
buy
Also,
in December.
during this time of suspended
So,
payments,
let's take
it
a
still
look at
counts
a
as
fun
if you're
example.
making payments.
How about that
so
holiday
if you're applying
spending?
for a loan
If you're like me and my family,
program,
we celebrate
this
Christmas.
period still counts
I'd
towards
like
you
to buy
making
some
those
gifts for
payments
my wife
as long as you
and my
meet all of
family.
the other requirements
So
for
let's
that
say I
program.
plan to
It
spend
is
about
important to note that this
$200
payment suspension
for Christmas
only
this year
applies
in
to
total.
federally held student
I don't really
loans.
know
So
if that
you
will
have
be
a
more or
private
less in
loan,
reality, but
it
that's
doesn't
okay.
qualify.
I'm going to make
To
my
see if
best
you do
guess for now,
qualify,
and I'll
we've put
just
links in the
later
description
on
so
if
that
I
you
need
can
to.
check up on this yourself.
Okay, so I know
Now,
that I've got
while
a few
private
months,
lenders
July,
aren't required
August,
technically to
September,
suspend these
October,
payments,
and November.
many are doing
That's
so
5
on a
months.
voluntary
So
basis.
I'll save
so
for
it
buying
may
Christmas
help
presents
to follow
now.
up with your
So
servicer
each month
and
I'll
see if
set
they've
aside
got programs like
$40
this
to
available
cover
for
my
your
spending
specific
in
loan.
December.
Keep in mind that
Voila!
while you're not
There we
required
go.
to make
I've
any
accounted
payments
for my
during this
true
time,
expenses.
any payments that you do
Now
choose
think
to
about
make
this in
will
all
go
different
straight
areas
towards
in your
paying
life,
down
from car
your principal.
repair to
So,
pet
if you've got
care
the
to
money
those other
available,
things
this
that
can be a
happen less
fantastic
frequently.
time to pay
Can
down
you
your
imagine
student loans
having a
faster,
major bill,
freeing up
your car
cash for
breaks
you
down,
later
and
on?
you just pay
Now,
it?
if your loans
You've
were in
accounted for
default
it,
at the start
planned
of this
for it,
period,
now you can
as
just
of
pay it.
March 13th,
By
the
doing this,
Department of
I've lowered
Education
my
has
stress
stopped
about
collecting
managing
on
money
any
because
loans
I
that
know
were in
that I'm
default.
accounting
And if you're
for more
currently
of
in the
my known
process of
expenses,
rehabilitating
even
a
if I'm
defaulted
guessing on
student
some of the
loan,
unknowns.
any payments that
But
you
the
miss
key is
between
we're
now and the end of the
preparing for
year
it,
won't
and that
count
feels
as
pretty
missed
darn
payments
good.
towards that
Now,
defaulted
in our
student
Money on the
loan.
Mind
If someone
education series,
contacts
we
you to
cover
pay a
this
fee
topic
to
and
suspend
many
these loans,
others
watch
to help
out.
you work
This
towards
is a
financial
scam.
stability
There
and
is no
continue
fee
to
to
build
suspend
your
these student
financial
loans.
wellness
This
over time.
happens
You
automatically.
can go to our website,
If you find out that you've been the victim of a
and search through
scam,
our
you need to
workshops to
file a
find
police
one
report
that
and
best
reach
fits
out
for
to
you
the
and your
Federal Trade
schedule.
Commission and
Until
file
next
a
time,
report
this has
with
been
them
Eric
there as
Pashia
well.
with
If you
HomeSource
have
of
student
Neighbor
loans
Impact.
right now and
Stay
you've been
well,
affected
be
by the
healthy,
fallout of
and take care
COVID,
of
take
yourself.
this time between now and the end of the year to regroup, save up a little bit of an emergency fund, and hit those student loans hard next year. If you still have an ability to pay, you may consider paying your loans down now to shave off months or years off of your repayment schedule. And in the meantime, we'll be here for you for some support, education, and a little bit of inspiration along the way. You can check out our workshops for more skills building or our one-on-one direct coaching for more direct assistance. This has been Eric Pashia with HomeSource. Until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, and take care of yourself.